In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name your Shopify store. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin, how to update your store name, and how to make sure the change is saved and visible across your dashboard. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the sidebar, click Home to make sure you're on the main dashboard. This helps reset your view so the next steps are easy to follow. Now, look toward the bottom left corner of the admin and open Settings. Inside Settings, choose General. Depending on your version of Shopify, this section may be labeled Store Details, but it's the same place where your store information lives. In this area, find the Store Name field. This is the name your customers will see in places like your checkout, order notifications, and parts of your admin. Click into the Store Name field and type the name you want to use. Aim for something short, clear, and brandable. Avoid special characters that may not render well in emails, and consider how it will look in your header and on invoices. If you're undecided, you can always update this later. Changing the store name here won't alter your myshopify.com domain or any connected custom domain. Once you've entered your new name, look for the Save button at the top or bottom of the page and click Save. Give it a second to process. You should see a confirmation that your changes were saved. If the Save button is grayed out, make sure you actually change the text and that there aren't any required fields left empty on the page. After saving, stay in the General or Store Details section for a moment and confirm the store name now shows your update. You'll typically also see the new name reflected in the admin header shortly after. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh your browser. A couple of quick tips as you finalize your name. Keep it readable, avoid hard-to-spell words, and think about how it sounds when spoken aloud. If you plan to use a custom domain or social handles later, check that a close match is available. And remember, this setting controls the display name for your storefront and communications, not the technical URL of your store. That's it. You navigated to Home, opened Settings, went into General or Store Details, edited the store name field, saved your changes, and verified the update. Thanks for watching. And if this was helpful, keep building.